Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get a link and connection and you will understand in a better way, apart from seeing 18th video, 25th video, 63rd video. Okay, you will get confused. And friend, do like my channel, subscribe, do like the video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay, and you can do one thing, friends. If you have any doubt you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I read to each and every comment and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay, and friends, you can do one thing, that you can directly contact me on Instagram if you have any doubt. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you. ABHIMANYUBHATTTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So I will begin with today's topic. And yesterday in our last video, I've covered the topic called "If the spirit world is our real home, why don't we recognize it when we die?" So in this video, I'm going to cover the topic called "How are the soul characteristic acquired?" Okay. So let's begin the video, friends. Okay. And the topic is "How are the soul characteristic acquired?" Soul characteristics are qualities you have acquired over many lives based on the manner in which you have trained your own spirit. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that soul characteristics are the quality of each and every soul which each and every spirit have acquired over the lifetime by gaining the experiences, by paying off the karma, by many things. The quality which a soul have acquired, that is known as soul characteristics. Your soul will have both positive and negative characteristic. For instance, positive aspect of your spirit may be that you are selfless, positive and brave. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that our soul may have both the quality, positive soul characteristic, and even negative soul characteristic. Positive soul characteristics may be that we are brave, we are selfless, we help to other people without any expectation. So this is a positive soul characteristic of a soul. The negative aspect through they arise from the physical mind, and this is the interesting part, friends. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that the negative soul characteristic which always arise through our physical mind. So the meaning of this is our subconscious mind is very pure and our subconscious mind always guides us for a better spiritual life, to help others, to serve the society in a selfless manner. So this is the basically work of our subconscious mind. But whereas our physical mind, it always influences us to do negative karma in our life, to always be selfish, which is a very wrong. Have been Physical mind have been with you for too long and are therefore part of yourself. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that our physical mind has been with us for a very long period of time. So now it has become a part of our body. So you may be proud, stubborn, and too analytical. So the qualities of physical mind are we may be stubborn or too analytical or too proud that we know everything, nobody knows anything, right? We know everything. And even we are stubborn, whatever I say I will do that only, I'm not going to listen to you. These are the qualities of physical mind. And even many a times we are being analytical. So if I'm doing this, what I'm going to get in back in return, what profit I'm going to get. We do each and every karma in expectation of a profit. So we are more analytical, our physical mind. The negative quality that you possess on earth remains with you in the spirit world. So this is a very important thing which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavanagri, that the negative karma which we possess in our physical body in this earth lifetime, even it bees with us in the spirit world also, although not as strongly, but remember that you are not perfect. So this karma doesn't be with us in that strong manner, but it is very important to know us that we are not perfect. You still have flaws even as a spirit soul. You will continue to grow even in the spirit world. So even in the spirit world also, as a soul we continue to grow, and even we have the flaws. However, if you are on a high realm, it means you have worked on this quality in the earthly life. So, if we are in the high realm, so it is understood that we have worked in our good qualities, the reason which we are today in the higher realm. So, those friends, those who doesn't know what is realm, I will tell you. So, in our last video, I have already covered in many videos. So, again, I will tell you for the first time viewers, realms are total. There are 7 realms. First, second, and third realm is considered to be hell. Fourth realm is considered to be neither hell or neither heaven. And fifth, sixth, seventh realm is considered to be the heaven. Okay. So it is the goal of our all the spirit souls to reach the seventh realm. And the fraction of negativity that remains can be shared easily. So many a time in the higher realms also we have a fraction of negativity which we can share it very easily. Spirit soul on a higher realm learn thing of a much higher nature. So those spirit who are in the higher realm, they those spirits so learn things much higher in nature. Okay. So friends, today's this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the topic called how are the soul characteristic acquired. So in our next video, I am going to cover the topic called suppose a person dies and knows he is going to the lowest realm. Why would he or she go? So this I am going to cover in the next video, friends. Okay. So as I always say, friends, this book is this long and I cannot cover the full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, you can do one thing. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay. And even you can connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you guys. ABHIMANYUBHATTTACHARJW 1906. And do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And make sure you all follow the good godly path, always help others, always be in a godly path, so one day we all will come in the spirit world and you will say I used to see your videos and today we all are in the spirit world. Okay friends, and this book, as you know, this is laws of the spirit world. I recommend you all to read this book because this book is going to give you a 360-degree dimension to see your life in a different perspective and a different manner, friends. Okay. So friends, this bring end to today's video. Till then, goodbye. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, friends. God bless you, friends.